Welcome back to Cooking with Prokan. I'm Chef Justin, and today we are going to be making some jalapeno cheddar cast iron cornbread in the Kano oven. We're going to make some southern pasta salad and some grilled sausages. So the Prokan Kano oven and the grill are both heated. Let's get started. All right, so let's get started on our jalapeno cheddar cornbread. We've got all of our ingredients here, and we'll make sure to put the recipe on the screen. We're basically going to divide into two bowls, the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients. So let's start with the dry ingredients first. We have here baking powder, all-purpose flour, and some cornmeal. We're just going to give that a little stir. And this is very much like making a muffin batter or a pancake batter. It's very easy, very no fuss. You're just going to mix wet and dry ingredients, stir it together, and we're not rising or anything like that. We're just going to go right into the buttered cast iron and get that in the oven. So our dry mix is good to go. We'll start on our wet mix. We got some eggs here, some green onions, olive oil, some sour cream, and some jalapenos that we've cut up. We've taken the seeds out just so it's not too spicy. If you like it spicier, you can add your seeds. Give this a mix. So that looks great. Now we're going to add in all of our dry mix again. I like doing it in two parts. Gonna get start to come together. It's a thick dough, kind of shaggy. And right before we're almost done, we're just gonna add this cheese while it's still not fully mixed. And it's that simple. So just in a couple minutes, you have your cornbread ready. We can go ahead and get this in our cast iron. What we've done is just oiled it with a bit of butter. You could use canola oil, butter, olive oil, or even like a spray. So we're gonna take this and fill up our cast iron. If you don't have a cast iron, you could also use any sort of baking pan or a muffin tin. Anything like that would work just fine. Cast iron, I like using it. It's a little more traditional for Southern cooking. It's perfect for getting that really hot heat, and it's gonna hold that heat really well. So what it's gonna do is give you a nice golden edge and crisp up the bottom nice and perfect. So this guy is ready to go in our preheated Kano oven. Let's get this in the oven. All right, here we are at the Prokan Kano oven. It's nice and preheated, and the stone is rotating. We're gonna get this in the oven. So let's get this going. So the nice thing about this oven is with the stone that rotates on its own, it's gonna get a nice even cook. And using the temperature gauge, unlike other pizza ovens, I can tell it exactly what temperature to hold inside. So more like a traditional oven, combo with a pizza oven rather than just a pizza oven. It can do a lot more than your traditional kind of pizza oven. So with this recipe, we'll make sure to keep the time and temperatures on the screen for you. We're gonna start it around 350. It's gonna take about 15, 20 minutes, depending on how big of a cast iron you're using. But the best way to check if it's done is to check if it's golden brown on the exterior and then use a toothpick to see if the middle comes out dry. If the toothpick comes out clean, then you're good to go. So we'll leave this guy cooking and we'll start working on a pasta salad. All right, the cornbread's in the Kano oven. It's cooking away. While that's cooking, it's a perfect time to get our pasta salad ready. So for our southern pasta salad, the main ingredient that kind of makes it southern is this chow chow. So this is a green tomato chow chow, very southern. It's basically a homemade green tomato relish. It's got sour, acidic, sweet. We're gonna add this to our pasta salad and we'll make sure you have the recipe on the screen for you guys. So we got that. We're gonna do some raw red onions. This is some red peppers, just diced up nice and fine. Some feta. Some jalapenos. We're gonna season it with a bit of salt. You don't have to go too much because there is salt in the feta. We're gonna add a bit of vinegar. And then for our last ingredient, we're gonna do some mayo. And just some black pepper as one of those things I always add to everything. Some crushed black pepper. Super simple, just mix that together. We're gonna let this kind of just mingle and sit and kind of marinate as we check on our cornbread in a second. And in the meantime, while the cornbread is finishing, we can grill our sausages. This is a super low maintenance, easy recipe that's gonna impress your friends and family and take the stress out of cooking with the Prokan outdoor kitchen. All right, we're looking good. So we're gonna let this sit aside. You can do this in advance if you want. You can do this overnight, let it sit, but it's just as easy to do it the day of. So whatever works for you is great for this recipe. All right, we're back at the preheated Prokan grill. We have the Kano oven going in the back, cooking our cornbread. It's really amazing to be able to do multiple things at a time. So you're not just grilling on this outdoor kitchen, you're really using it as a full-fledged kitchen. So let's get our sausages on our cast iron. So we have these two cast iron accessories, great addition to your Prokan grill. They don't come with it, but you can definitely visit the website and get all kinds of neat accessories to upgrade your grilling. So we'll get these two types of sausages we have. We have an Italian and a cheese. So these are the two cheese sausages. Get those on the grill and get the two Italian sausages. We're gonna let these grill up. We've got our pasta salad ready to go, waiting for us. We're gonna grill these sausages, and by the time we're done grilling these sausages, the cornbread will be ready and perfect, and we'll plate up and get ready for dinner. We'll let these guys sit. We're gonna close it and let it keep going. All right, we're ready to go. The cornbread is out of the oven. We have our sausages off the grill and our pasta salad is nicely marinated. Let's get ready to plate this up. All right, everything is ready. We're gonna finish it with a little bit of honey butter. We have our beautiful sausages, nicely grilled, our cast iron jalapeno and cheddar cornbread. We're just gonna grab a little bit of honey butter that we've made. All we do is we temper off some butter and mix it with some honey and some salt. We're gonna put that right on top, and that's gonna help. It's gonna slowly melt into the cornbread and finish off our cornbread. We're all ready today. We have our jalapeno cheddar cornbread, our pasta salad with the chow chow, and our grilled sausages. Make sure you guys leave a comment below what you guys want to see next for Prokan, and we're excited to show off this outdoor kitchen with you today.